In this video, I'll show you how to scan multiple pages on your Canon PIXMA TR4720 using the top feeder. I'll show you 3 different ways to do it. One with your phone, then with a computer, and finally I'll show you how to copy those scanned pages using the printer alone without anything else. So let's get started. First, you need to connect your printer to a Wi-Fi network. To do so, you need to press this setup button and then navigate until you see Wi-Fi setup. Then press OK. With the arrows, navigate until you see manual connect. Press OK again, and it will search for a Wi-Fi network. You should connect to the same network as you're using on your phone or on your computer. So this is mine. It appeared there, but if you don't see yours, just press the arrows until you're seeing the name of your network. Then press OK once, press again, and now you have to enter the network password. Here we have a small letter. Press this small star to switch between capital letters and numbers. So now enter the password. Once you're done, press OK and it will connect to the Wi-Fi network. Now load the documents that you want to scan on the top feeder facing up. Okay, so all the pages need to face up. Align them on the table, make sure they're all set like this, and then you just need to push them into the feeder over here and you'll hear a small beep confirming that the printer has detected the paper. On your phone, your Android phone or your iPhone, download the Canon Print app in the App Store and then open it. It should search for the printer and find it very quickly. Then you can press the X on the top right corner, press OK, and you're done. If the app didn't recognize your printer, okay, you're gonna go on the first page, and at the top left corner you see there's a small printer. Just press on it and it will scan for printers, and you should pick it from the list. Now on the main page you're gonna press on scan, press OK, and now select what folder on your phone you want the whatever you're gonna scan to go in. So I'll choose camera here, but you can choose any folder on your phone. On this page, just confirm that everything is okay. If not, press change settings on the top and you'll be able to change between PDF and color, whatever. And when you're done, just press scan button on the bottom of the screen and the feeder will start taking each pages one by one to scan them. This may take a few minutes. I just accelerate the video to show you. And now we are almost done. And a message should appear when everything is completed. Okay, perfect, file saved. When you press OK, the file will open up with all the pages. You see, it's scanned very well with colors, like I asked. And it will be saved in the folder you decided previously. Now let me show you how to do it with a PC. You need to go in Start over there, then navigate to Settings, and then in this menu select Devices, and from here select Printer and Scanners. Your Canon printer should be in this list. Click on it and then click on Manage. You'll have a drop-down menu here. Click and select Scanner, and then select Open Scanner. If you don't see Open Scanner, you need to download the Scan app. There will be a button right there. And from here, you need to select Feeder, okay, because we want to use it. And then select in what kind of document you want your document to be saved. I want in PDF, so I'll choose PDF. And then click on the Scan button. The feeder will start scanning all the pages one by one. A few more seconds here to finish. And you can, by the way, choose where to save the file you just scanned. At the end it will tell you where it got saved. You see, mine it says desktop. You can press view there, or you can go directly in desktop here to check the file. If not, you can modify it where on your computer it's saved. So here I have my document. It's a PDF with all the pages. And finally, I'll show you how to copy those scanned documents. So I'll put some paper here, extend this tray. Make sure my documents is facing up in the top feeder. Press the copy button here to enter copy mode, and then select if you want in black and white or in color. In my case, I want it to be black and white, so I'll press once on this button and the feeder will start taking each page one by one to scan them and then to copy them down below. I have accelerated this portion of the video just to show you. And we're done. So this paper was in color, but I asked to be in black and white, and each pages has been copied the way I wanted. So this was it. If you want to support the channel, please check the affiliate Amazon links in the description to get some cartridges for your Canon printer or some glossy paper. Leave a comment down below, a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.